Just want to say welcome, my friend. If you were coming back and you were on the page for search engine optimization basics, then this is basically just the next video inside of this little series on side of this page. But right now we're going to be talking about on-page SEO. Then I'm going to go over two different ideas for backlinking for your website. But from here, let's really get into some of the basics on page. So I use a plugin called Yoast inside of WordPress. If you're not a WordPress user, what you can do instead of doing this, you can actually go into the code. And if you go into the code, there'll be H1, H2s, H3s, your strong tags, your italic tags, and your underline tags. But just doing this for the WordPress users at this moment, and later down I will show you a basic site from scratch where you can use it. But mainly a lot of people are using WordPress these days, so this is where I'm going to put my standards, is inside on-page SEO for WordPress. So and let's run a little back in the keyword research. And so if we scroll down here, we'll go all the way down here, and this is not a real site. This is basically just my example site that I use. So my focus keyword I used was real estate keywords, which you see inside the content. And there's 6. You probably don't really have to do that many. Back in the day, it was pretty much used as many keywords as you possibly can. That day is no longer valid. And if you do that, it is now considered spam. Even inside the Yoast plugin, it still does that valid keyword density, and keyword density is not existent. One of the things you can do is, so if you're trying and add alt text inside of your image, come in here and say that you're okay. You can be like, if you're in Austin, so Austin real estate keywords. But inside this image, I just use real estate keywords and you can use a couple different images and add and try to mix up the actual words inside the text. You can also put this inside a local area. Here in a few weeks, I'm going to actually lay that down and show you how to rank with just adding a couple little tweaks to your on page. But basically, if you have done your on page correctly, you are using three to 5 different keywords that you had researched for your page. And then you have your anchor text. You see I have one, and it's been a while since I actually used this site. So actually I did that, and I actually no longer are people just using the H1 tags, H2 tags as the exact keyword, and you want to try to mix it up inside your keywords. And with this, I kind of did that, and I kind of didn't. I was just testing to really see if this was how they were looking to rank or not. And this anchor text and this one, every single one of these are no follow links. If you know the difference between no follow and follow, basically a no follow does not really pass juice, but a couple people have said through YouTube they actually pass juice through your on-page SEO efforts. And you see, I'm telling Google right here with this bolded one right here, that this is what we are trying to rank for. Then if you come down a little bit, let me see if I have any italics that I did. Yeah, right here. So this gives you the idea of some of the real estate keywords. So you already know I'm trying to rank for real estate keywords, and it gave Google another idea that that's what I want to rank for. And I believe I have one more, but yeah, right here, real estate keywords is underlined. So basically, I use that 3 times, and I use one of each to explain to Google what you need to do. Okay, when it comes to your title can be changed. You can call it anything you want, but when you come down here and you're using this plugin, is you don't want your title. So what should the title be? So if you're ranking for, let's say you sell luxury houses, maybe you want to say, we buy luxury real estate homes in Texas and Austin. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of different things. Like there's something that I ranked for a while back, and I said Metro Detroit SEO in Michigan, and it just gives you an opportunity to rank for different keywords besides the keywords that you're actually using on your page. So I wasn't really trying to make this go into depth, but if you do come here, this will not direct you to this example site. There is some keywords that I rank for in this example site. It gets probably about 1,000 searches a month, almost 2,000. So I don't really look at this site really much no more. It's just testing. I haven't did a lot of testing in the last few weeks due to some personal issues. But so basically, the things that you want to do is do the on page, is find a mixture of keywords that you want to rank for. So you're going to do this inside of all your content and not just try to throw them all in the first 2 or 3 paragraphs. Then say if you're in luxury real estate, you can be like, we buy homes, we sell homes, we will help you sell your home, and you know what I mean, inside Texas or inside Austin, inside of different types of areas that you are currently in. But the basic idea is just to have good enough on-page SEO. And another tip for on-page SEO is to create a video, because YouTube passes link juice, but I'm going to show you all that, and I'll show you where to throw your links and which links are really counted and which ones are follow and do follow links inside of that. And our next section is going to be about off-page SEO. This is where pretty much all the magic happens, because you can have the greatest on-page SEO and get up to page 2, page 3, to page almost 1, and you can be like number 12. But the point is that you'll never get that outstanding rank if you never do no off-page SEO. So some of the things that we covered is I talked about, you need to have 3 to 5 different keywords for your on-page. So you need H1s, H2s, you need images, you need a video, and basically some anchor text. Either going to someone else's website, if you want to do a do follow or a no follow, that's completely up to you. And if you're trying to keep your link juice on your site, then I suggest you do a no follow link. But other than that, this is the basics of on-page SEO. And what we are going to do next is talk about all the off-page stuff. So from here, if you like this video like this, I have a full page dedicated just for the basic of search engine optimization, and not just on-page SEO inside of WordPress. So from here, I'm just going to say thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you on my next video, which is going to be off-page with understanding web directories, which web directory is still using today, and this could be to start your link building process with doing it 3 to 5. But inside the web directory, I am only going to be talking about really going into the trust flow and really let you get it into the grind of that. And I'll show you where to go and a couple of sites that you can use. But from here, I want to say, come join me and visit my site and leave a comment down below on this video. And you have an awesome day.